Cleaning tire wheel video, take one.
Cleaning tire wheel video, take one. I'm using this stuff called White Diamond. It's supposed to be a metal polish because I'm tired of Meili looking like a meth lab. Do you see this right here? Do you see this right here? So we're going to try this. It says you don't even have to wash them first, so we're going to try this and see how it works, okay?
Yes.
So from what I understand, you're just supposed to put some of this wheeze on here. Ooh. Rub it in. Supposed to let it sit for a second and get puffy, like not puffy, like cloudy, I guess, and then you're supposed to wipe it dry. So do you see what it's doing? Right now we're just letting it.
Yes, I see. I see the results.
You see the results? That's really not bad. Look at that.
Sparkly
you don't have to clean or
shine.
anything. So we're gonna see if we can make Meili look less like a meth lab.
Ow, my head.
Oh, sorry, honey. Come over here this way. I'm gonna try this part too. It's right here. That's gonna take a little bit more elbow grease, but we might have to hit that one up too. That doesn't look bad, huh?
No.
Less like a meth lab.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna give this a shot and see how it goes. You can turn it off now. So I'm not gonna put you through the whole drama of cleaning this. So this is gonna be my before, and then I'll show you an after, and I'll do one for each tire, okay? And we've got dualies on the back. Caitlin's right here looking at me, but she's sweating. So yeah, we're gonna do this. This is gonna be our before, and then I will show you a after. So I just wanna show you, I'm like, maybe 5 minutes into doing this, and there's a lot of pitting up in here and down in here. So I don't know how great I'm gonna be able to make this look. It looks significantly better, but with the pitting, we're gonna see how it goes. I don't know if I can get rid of all that without trying to scrub something. Maybe I'll bring a brush out. We'll see. Okay, I've resorted to an old coconut scrubby sponge because this stuff is very runny, so I just want to try and scrub it, but it's doing a little bit better. So it's this stuff down here that's really hard to get, and I know I need to put my gloves back on. Okay, that's tire number one. I'm tired. That's the best I can do. I'm probably going to wind up having to spray paint them, but for now that looks significantly better than it did. On to the next. Okay, so here's my back dually. This one I think should clean a little, hopefully better, but it's again all pitted, so we'll see how it goes. I'm dying. Look, see how much I got done. Okay, so I'm on the back dual right now, right? Mm-hmm. Your finger's totally in the way. This one.
Don't look.
All right, anyway, so I'm on the back dual. I'm using this right here. Very runny. I'm just on the bottom part of it right now. Can you get in there and see what I'm doing? See, like I haven't touched this upper part.
Still messy.
That's biting me. Ow. But anyway, all right, so yeah, that's still messy, right? Let me dry it off and let's see how much better it looks. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Get it? Ready?
Yes.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. I know, doesn't that look a lot better
Yes.
than it did? So I'm gonna keep working on it. Look, it's just that it's so pitted that it's gonna still look somewhat meth lab-like. All right, wish me luck.
Cut.
Okay, it still kind of looks like a meth lab. It's just hard to get that in there. It's all pitted, but it looks a bit better. I'll just go do, I'm tired too. Oh, and the stuff, I'm gonna have to wash the tires anyway. Oh, I'm tired, and it's hot. It's like 85 degrees or something, but I mean, like, I wish the whole thing would shine up like that, but nope, that's what I got. Okay, so that's, remember my before, right? And then come over here. This is my after. Over here. I still have to wash the tires, but it does look a bit better. It still kind of looks like a meth lab. There's pitting in there that I just can't get to. And then also over here, that's also an after. Again, still have to wash the tire. This is just a lot of pitting. Right here, this is just really hard to get to, and I didn't want to be too abrasive. And then here's the next before. there. So we'll see how it goes. Eh. I am absolutely dying. I'm so hot. I have this like last tire to do. And I'm so dreading it. It's hard to do. And the pitting's not coming off, so it still looks like a meth lab. But it looks like a better meth lab, maybe a newer meth lab. That's it, that's the last tire. Oh goodness. It's just still meth lab looking. It's better. Okay, so I'm totally shaking because I'm hot. I only used about half of one bottle. And honestly, this stuff is decent if you don't have a bunch of pitting. But that was exhausting and it still looks like a meth lab. So I'm gonna just wash the tires now and see what we can do from there. Okay, tire washing time. I'm gonna do some Dawn Platinum on these babies. And we're gonna go from there, see how it works. I'll scrub them properly. Just kind of pre-wetting. Good stuff. Oh, woo! All right, we're gonna wash these tires off. I got my Dawn, what is this, Platinum? Yeah, stuff's good. Just to get the wheeze off the outsides of the tire. I'll finish up and I'll show you what it looks like. Not so much meth lab. Okay, you ready? I just rinsed them. There's number one. Number two. I'll get the other side so you can see both tires. Ooh. Three, that looks a lot better. And four. But so, if we're going for, do we look like a meth lab? Not so much. Not as bad. It's not a mansion, but it's not a meth lab.